So hey guys, we are here at the Rosewill booth. I'm with Patrick, the global VP for Rosewill. So Patrick, tell us a little bit about the company. What's your vision? What is your direction for Computex and moving forward?
Thank you for such an opportunity, and all the fans in the gaming world, gaming industry. And the main mission and vision for Rosewill is being the expert. The expertise provide gaming experience from all the related gaming devices, including the awesome case, power supply, mechanical keyboard, gaming mouse, and we want to be the global dominant player in that arena.
Right, so you're providing cases, peripherals, power supplies, everything gaming related,
Exactly.
Right?
That's our heart and soul, core focus for the business.
Okay, and what do you have here on display right now? We are told that this is the fastest assembled machine here at Computex.
Exactly. When you look at this, the latest and greatest, the NVIDIA Titan SLI, 3-way SLI. This is the top-notch, best of the best, graphics, and also with the cooling system provided surround with the Rosewill case and also the mechanical keyboard that we provide, for the excitement and also performance, well-balanced solution.
Right. And how many?
And also right here, if you can take a look, of our very special handmade, unique cool Tron case series.
It's quite the unique paint job.
Exactly.
Right.
But that demonstrates not just from the function, the thermal, the outlook, and also all the segments installation inside that able to provide whether 4 pieces of high-end graphics, top-notch 1600 watts of the power supply.
Why the power?
Exactly. That's all about the gaming experience and the performance.
Right. And how many cases are being released at Computex 2013?
I'll have our press provide a little bit more detail later on, but I would say close to 10. Close to 10 new products, especially in that arena.
So it seems like you guys are very aggressive towards pushing more, providing us more products, giving us the gamers what they want, and it's always great to have competition, especially with Rosewill giving us all the gaming peripherals and gaming products, power supplies, cases for the market. So thanks Patrick.
Thank you, really appreciate it.
Thank you. So hey guys, I'm here with Boo, the product specialist here at Rosewill. One interesting and really cool case that we see here is the Rise, because it basically takes up, it's a full tower, but it is shrunken up into sort of a size of a mid-tower. So Boo, tell us a little bit what makes this case so special, given that this is of course the most powerful system here at Computex.
Thank you for that introduction. So one thing that a lot of members here, when they first see this case, is they think it's a mid-tower. And I thought so myself. But one of the good things about this is that it features a thinness form factor of a mid-tower, but the height of a full tower. So you'll get the full performance and features of a full tower case. As you see here in this Rise system, we wanted to incorporate and show off what this case is capable of. So here you have two 280 water coolers on the front and the top. If you don't go the route of water coolers, you can install either 2 140s in the front and the top, or 3 120s on the front and top. It'll support your long length video cards. The hard cage here is removable, so if you notice in this case, there's no hard drive cage there. But there is a solid state installed, and there are 2 slots on the back of the motherboard tray that will allow you to install 2 solid states to get your system up and running as easy as possible. And of course, on the back of the case, we did incorporate a removable fan filter for the PSU, and on the front, the tray cover just pop off by a simple click. Remove the mesh tray, wash it up, install it back in, simple, toolless.
So you guys are taking into account obviously dust proof, so both full dust proof coverage from the top and the front, at the back of the power supply, of course. Now, given this is open, what's the situation here with are we given a window? Is this going to be also other fan mounts? Is that in the works right now?
It's in the works right now. As you see here, the side panel is not windowed, but we will incorporate a window on this system because this system is a case you want to show off all your components in, and it's definitely designed to be that way.
Right. So just to recap, hard drive cage is removable, still at the moment 2 3.5-inch drives, but still in the works. We may see more. And again, what's the motherboard support here?
Here, it'll be up to mini-ITX. As you can see on this motherboard, it's actually an mini-ITX, will support 2 dual Intel Xeon processors.
Right. Well, thanks, Boo. A really impressive case from Rosewill. This is the Rise, giving us the sort of the full tower capability in the mid-tower size. So some of you have asked us to look at smaller cases here, Computex 2013. So we're here with the Neutron from Rosewill. An interesting design, as you can see. Turning this around, it's a very elegant, kind of very simple case. Kind of also a little bit resembles like the 350D from Corsair. On the side here we have 2 USB 3s and 2 USB 2 ports. Now what's cool about this is that on the other side, this is where your power reset and your headphone jack is located. So what you can do is you can actually swap this with the USB ports depending on the location of your case. Give us a little bit flexibility in terms of positioning this inside your house, inside your desk. We also have one optical drive which is connects with a toolless connector, also a great addition, but the optical bay cover can also be removed if you want to install a radiator on the top. This supports 140 and 120 millimeter fans, so a dual radiator will be able to be installed either 120 millimeter fans or with 140. Same thing in the front. As you can see, the case comes with 2 140 millimeter front intake fans, one exhaust at the back as well, but of course supports for 120 as well. There is some spacing there left for if you want to install a 240 radiator or a 280 radiator, which is always cool to see water cooling capabilities come in these small packages. Now this is a mini-ITX case, so only ITX boards supported. We have plenty of clearance for the GPU. Most likely won't have any issues with the fans installed, but if you do install a radiator, that will be limiting. So when it comes to the hard drive on this Neutron, this is the swivel design. It's not the final decision yet. They might change it because if all your wiring is sticking out here, it might be a little bit difficult to close and access all your hard drives. So we're told that the hard drives may be sticking out this way, which makes it be a little bit easier to swap and to connect with your power supply. Power supply gets installed on the side here, and there is plenty of ventilation here so that your power supply can keep cool. As you can see, no dust filter here, no dust filter on the front as well. So when it comes to the airflow from the front, as you can see, all will be sucked in through these ventilation on the sides. Given this, the airflow will be sacrificed because we have this closed space. It keeps it elegant, but will be sacrificing on airflow as well. So this has been the Neutron from Rosewill. This is a mini-ITX case. It's a fairly wide case, so may not be for everybody, but if you are looking for a pretty cool water cooling setup, this might be the choice.